Welcome back to Kendall's Lucky Dip. This table is covered in a thin layer of salt due to this video, and I have yet to clean it. So we're gonna have a salty, fun time today. Yeah!
National storage of Kendall.
We have a national storage of Kendall large box. I do agree with that description. It is in fact a large box. You can use it for boat storage. Put your boats in here. Pretty solid. Caravan storage too. Gosh, if he's bought me a caravan, I'm gonna be stoked. This looks pretty easy to get into compared to the other things that are on the show, I will admit. Here's left, of course, the roll of tape attached to the top. Ah! I can see there is a mask here. This is probably a biosecurity risk. Worth mentioning as well, this was apparently Michael's idea, so thanks Michael. I hope you enjoy this, whatever this is. I thought this said human farm. What was that?
Something's in one of those big, right?
There's a foam ball and like a ball with holes in it. There's also like a little desk fan. Okay, oh, there's something here. Okay, let's get rid of this big box. Sweet. Let's see what we've got. We have a mask which has not been used, thank God. Sorry, I just read the label here. It says baby spinach. All right, spinach. 100% pure maple syrup. Right, we have a desk fan, maple syrup, a mask, and a box full of baby spinach. I'm slightly concerned at the level of spinach that is going to be in here. This is not spinach. There's a bunch of wires. This show never fails to confuse me. Is there a bomb in here? So there's like 3 bags. Here's one of them. Okay. I feel like I should put on the mask for this. We may start another pandemic based on what's in here. Safety first. This mask smells like asbestos. Yeah, no, that's asbestos. Right, I'm gonna open up this bag with the red rubber band on it. Okay, there is an emergency alarm. You're not gonna hit the button. I don't know if this actually has the alarm in it or if it's just the button.
There's only one way to find out.
There is only one way to find out. Actually, there's 2 ways. The other is to dig around inside. Let's see what we got here in this other one. There is a second emergency alarm. Nice! I've always wanted to have 2 of these. I have to thank Kendall. You know, he's always looking out. Safety, #1 priority. With the asbestos mask and the maple syrup. These look like you stole them off the wall of a building. This does look like a bomb defusal kind of scenario. We have 3 emergency alarms. Is that actually alarms in these?
There's only one way to find out.
I'm not gonna press them.
There's only one way to find out.
I would rather live not knowing whether there's an alarm in there. I don't think there would be.
Just press it and find out.
I'm not going to.
I will press it.
Is there actually an alarm?
I will press it if you're not going to press it.
Do it! Why is there wires everywhere? What is with the maple syrup? This is so confusing. Why is there a desk fan? Yeah, I'll do an ad read for them. Oh Canada, 100% pure maple syrup. Naturally fat-free. Oh Canada. Okay, it's easy to stop. Honestly, that's quieter than I thought. Usually fire alarms are a little over the top. Well, that's louder. I'm just gonna make sure they're all the same. Oh yeah, they get louder as they go. That's fun. All right, is this all that was in there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you very much for tuning in to this episode of Kendall's Lucky Dip. Fire Alarm Edition. Click here for the last video. Click here for a special one. This is a bad one. Don't click that one. Oh, that is sweet. And I'll see you in the next video.